In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add WhatsApp button on ClickFunnels sales page. By the end, you'll have a clean, clickable button that opens a WhatsApp chat with you in a single tap, so visitors can get in touch instantly while they're already interested. First, open your ClickFunnels page in the editor. This is where you'll make all the changes to your sales page, and you'll be able to see exactly where the button will appear as you work. Make sure you're on the correct funnel step so you add the button to the page your visitors actually see. Next, add a button element where you want the WhatsApp link to live. In the editor, use the Add Element menu and choose Button, then drag it into place. Think about visibility and timing. Placing it near your primary call to action, pricing area, or at the end of your pitch often works best. You can customize the text so it's clear, like chat on WhatsApp or message us on WhatsApp. Now, select that button and open its settings by clicking the gear icon. This is where you control what the button does when someone clicks it. You'll see options for styling, text, and behavior. For the button action, choose Go to Website URL. This tells ClickFunnels to send visitors to a specific web address the moment they click. That address will be your WhatsApp link. In the URL field, enter your WhatsApp link in this format: https://me/ followed by your full phone number. Use your country code plus your WhatsApp number, with no plus sign, no spaces, and no special characters. For example, if your country code is CC and your number is NN, you would type https me. Keeping the number clean and continuous is important. Any symbols or spaces will break the link. Also, make sure the number you use is registered with WhatsApp so the chat opens correctly. When a visitor taps the button on mobile, it will launch WhatsApp with a new message window ready to contact you. On desktop, it will open WhatsApp Web or the desktop app if it's installed, which makes it just as seamless for computer users. Finally, save and publish your page. Saving commits your changes in the editor, and publishing makes them live so your visitors can start using the button right away. Once that's done, your ClickFunnels sales page now includes a dedicated WhatsApp button, giving your audience a quick, familiar way to reach you at the exact moment their interest is highest.